we're going to fertilize cucumbers. So you want to pick the male plant. So the male plant, if you can see, there's no back portion to it. A female plant will have, I guess you could say, like a small cucumber behind it, but this one's not fertilized yet. The male plant only has the forward piece. So there's this one right here. So I'm going to pull that off. You just pull it off with your fingers, and it snaps right off. And from there, you have to open up the leaves. So in the middle you can see, so this would be the male portion, and those will fertilize the female portion of the plant. So now you would grab it like this, get a good hold of it, find a female flower that is open, so this one here, and then you just want to rub it in the middle. It's basic fertilization. And that should do it. And then you would find another one, and there's quite a few. There's one on the bottom here that we can take a look at. So just grab the flower. It's a bit old, but should still work. As you can see, there's the center portion, and just rub it on the inside, and that should fertilize it. Now we're going to grab a top one here. I'm just going to turn it around a bit. It's a bit delicate. Again, sometimes you can't exactly see what you're doing, but again, the middle, and just fertilize it. Not too rough. Perfect. 3. Just check to see if we have any other ones. Sometimes they're often under the leaves. These ones are closed. They will open tomorrow. This one's already open and closed. Just checking the bottom. And nope, that's everything for today.